not sure really what else I can say. Just look at this. Washington State. A couple of days from Christmas, and all you need to do in life is go out and look for stuff. If you don't look for it, you're not going to find it. But sometimes when you look and you open your eyes, you really can find it. This is Lake Cushman in Washington State, and the water level is quite low. Sun's going down. You can hear the waterfalls in the background. And when last did you do something that took your breath away? You know? When last did you actually go out into nature, get in the car, just drive somewhere and just appreciate how lucky we are to be alive? But do that, do that, do that. Go out, find something beautiful and enjoy it.